Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. I hope everyone is well. How are you? This is Middle School Esau, and today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Let's get started. All right, so yesterday was Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Friday, May 15th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore. Today, the high temperature will be 71 degrees, the low temperature will be 63 degrees, and it will be partly cloudy. To remind everyone, schools are closed for the academic year. Para recordarles, schools are closed for the academic year. The academic year, el año escolar, es September to June, septiembre hasta junio. Entonces, no vamos a regresar a la escuela por este año escolar, tal vez en septiembre, el próximo año escolar, pero tenemos que esperar para lo que dice el gobierno, but for this academic year, schools are closed. All right, so for our first activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. A piece of paper and a pencil. So on your paper, you will write May 14th, 2020, dictation, y como hacemos en escuela, voy a deletrear una palabra y vas a escribir lo que escuchas. All right, so number 1, S. W I M. Number 2, F L Y. And number 3, W A L K. So number 1, S W I M. Swim. Number 2, F L Y. Fly. Number 3, W A L K. Walk. Swim, fly, walk. Swim, swim, swim significa nadar, swim. Fly, fly, fly significa volar. Walk, walk, walk significa caminar. So our objective today is I can identify animals that swim and animals that fly using a graphic organizer. I can identify animals that swim and animals that fly using a graphic organizer. Yo puedo identificar animales que nadan y animales que vuelan utilizando un graphic organizer. All right, so today we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write, y al final tienen dos opciones. We are going to text or email a photo of our work to Ms. Palomino, or we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Hay un documento en Google Classroom donde pueden escribir las respuestas y pueden entregar este documento por Google Classroom para la tarea. All right, so your paper should look something like this. It should have the date, Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and 2 lists. 1 list, animals that fly. 10 animals that fly. 10 animales que vuelan. 10 animals that fly and 10 animals that swim. 10 animales que nadan. So 10 animals that fly, 10 animals that swim. Bat, 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 bat. Dolphin, 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 dolphin. Whale, 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 whale. Bee, 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 bee. Shark, 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 shark. Seal, 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 seal. Dragonfly, 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 dragonfly. Fish, 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 fish. Butterfly, 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 butterfly. Owl, 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 owl. Eagle, 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 eagle. Goose, 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 goose. Beetle, 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 beetle. Crocodile, 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 crocodile. Turtle, 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 turtle. Duck, 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 duck. Frog, 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 frog. Seahorse, 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 seahorse. Seagull, 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 seagull. Octopus, 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 octopus. All right, so today we learned 20 words. Bat, dolphin, duck, bee, whale, shark, butterfly, dragonfly, seal, fish, eagle, crocodile, turtle, frog, seagull, goose, seahorse, beetle, octopus, owl. All right, so your paper should look something like this. Tu papel debe parecer algo así, o el documento que vas a entregar por Google Classroom debe parecer algo así. The date, Thursday, May 14th, 2020. Animals that fly, animales que vuelan, y 10 animales que vuelan. Animals that swim, animales que nadan, y 10 animales que nadan. 10 animals that fly and 10 animals that swim. Con estas palabras, 10 animals that fly and 10 animals that swim. All right, so you can turn in your work on Google Classroom con este documento que vas a ver en Google Classroom, or como han hecho, take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino through email or through WhatsApp. And if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right, I will talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Woo! All right, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.